Hello everyone! Mayong adlaw mga higala. For this video, I will share my Oreo ice cream recipe. For the ingredients, you need 250 ml all-purpose cream. Kailangan naka-chill. And then another 250 ml Mona Lisa whipping cream. 1/2 can of Bravo condensed milk. And another 3/4 cup Conaprol milk. And lastly, 1/2 cup of Oreo crumbs. In your mixer, let's whip together the all-purpose cream and the Mona Lisa. Then once na-whip na siya, medium stiff na, that's the time we add the rest of the ingredients. If you don't have mixer, you can use your hand mixer or yung hand whisk. Magandang recipe to this summer. Tapos, very easy to make. Then, let's add the condensed milk. Okay, pag gantong stage na, you add the condensed milk and the milk. This recipe, good for dalawang microwavable na malalaki. Yan. Then after this, i-add na natin si Oreo crumbs. This one. Pwede mong punuin or pwede divide mo dalawa. 3/4 lang yung malalagay. Then, freeze natin to at 4 to 6 hours or mas maganda, overnight. Okay? And so, I have here extra. May pinatigas na ako kagabi. At tigas niya na ako. Then, sprinkle natin some Oreo. Sarap. Pang summer. There you go, our Oreo ice cream recipe. Again, for the ingredients, guys, don't forget to visit Sweet House Baking Store here in Cagayan de Oro, Balingasag, or in Palawan. And don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Enjoy baking!